So I'd like to show a little bit more detail today on how to generate a step model for a PCB footprint inside of OrCAD Library Builder. So first thing we'll do is I'll choose my template that I'm going to work with. You could make obviously many changes to this if you needed to, but primarily what I wanted to show is generating a step model. So this is in the side view tab, front view, side view, that kind of a thing. You can do that. More importantly, we would use this to generate the step model. Step file export is completed. You can see the name here that's going to be leveraged, and I can also see where this file is going to be located. I've already set that up in my path. So once I export this, and we can see the name here. This is an IPC conformant generated name. So I'm going to let it go ahead and use that name. I'm going to export this to OrCAD PCB editor, and we'll go ahead and launch that. Now once the footprint is built inside of OrCAD PCB editor, I need to make sure that my step model mapping is set up and also the library paths, and that can be done first of all. We'll set up our library paths, choose paths, library, step path. So this needs to be set up in order for this to land in this location that we've just generated. Once that's done, you also need to make sure that your step package mapping is handled, and so we can see the part here. We just want to make sure that it's on a 90-degree angle and a rotation of X in the X, and you could probably change any of these other things too if you wish to, but the mapping needs to occur. Once that's done, we can go ahead and look at our 3D. And there's a few ways that you can change the way that this is going to appear. The most simple way that I've found is to change the no shape fill, and you could come in and also hide the pads as well, so you get a much better sampling of this 3D step model.